guys, what is up today? Anyone a big fan of Crash Bandicoot besides myself right now? Anyway, Crash Bandicoot is gonna be coming soon to Xbox One, which, and when this video gets posted, it will probably be here. So, the title will be Crash Bandicoot is on Xbox One. The new game that is the Insane Trilogy is gonna be on Xbox One. So yeah. I want to know what your thoughts on this one. Are you excited for Crash Bandicoot? And yeah, I know I am. I am a huge Crash Bandicoot fan. I love the games of Crash Bandicoot. I've played it on PlayStation, and I'm so excited that it is coming to Xbox One. I am very excited. Very excited. Very excited. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below, and this is a Keep Me Out of Stephanie. So yeah, so Crash Bandicoot is coming to Xbox One, basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and make sure you follow me all over the internet of @70slive. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.